Hi there you guys! These starry seed beads earrings are a quick and easy last minute project, that's why I invite you to create this together. Consider subscribing with the bell, liking, sharing and commenting for more videos like this, and if you want additional value for the price of a latte, check the membership that comes with 9 video courses and 50 PDF beading patterns. Without further ado, let's get started. I use 3 colors of 11/0 seed beads, golden, white and red, earring findings in golden color, Nylbond nylon thread that keeps the shape well. This is size 11 beading needle, use similar size and scissors. And now I'm going to take about an arm span of thread on my needle, which in my case is around 160 centimeters, which is 63 inches, and I'm going to start. Okay, my friends, and I'm starting my work with red beads. I'm going to slide those down. I will stick my needle here in my mat, and what I want to do is to make a knot, and I'm doing it, guys, by making here a loop and going twice through the loop I've made. And I'm pulling. In this way I create a secure knot, and I want to go one more time like this and create a second knot. Okay. Then in my next step I want to go here through some beads and pull. In my next step, my friends, I'm taking one red bead and I'm going backwards through the bead that I'm exiting out of. Then I pull. You see, now I have a loop between this central bead and my newly added red bead. Okay. You see how it looks now? I go in the next red one red, and I go backwards through this red and through the following. I'm going through the following as well, just to save time. Okay, again I have a loop between the central bead and this newly added bead, and again one red going like this. And another red one. And again, another seed bead. And I will continue this 8 times until the end of this row. 8 times in total. Okay, and that's it, guys. I have this cute element created. Now what I want to do is to zigzag and go through this bead here. In this way I'm stepping up in my outer row, and I want to take one golden bead and I want to go in the next red bead. One golden, go in the next red. And you know, guys, it's much easier for me if I flip my work. If you prefer to go in this direction, it's fine, but because I'm right-handed, I prefer this one. Okay, and I will go through all of those beads. Go around. Okay, now I have this. In my next step, guys, I'm going to take 3 golden beads and I'm going backwards through these golden. And when I pull, guys, when I go back in circle and pull, I create this cute cross of 4 beads. It is also called right angle weave. It's a popular stitch. I guess all of you know it, but just to mention for the ones that are not aware. And I'm going to continue this, adding like these 3 at each step until the end of this row. And by the way, if you like my tutorials and you want to see more additional content united in 9 video courses, and also download 50 PDF beading patterns from my website, it's a good idea to join my membership, because for the price of a latte you get all of those perks and also early access to new videos. So you might as well go and check my membership options. I have the link in description and at the join button. Okay, now my friends, I have this cute little element. In my next step, what I want to do is to go from here through one of the beads that are sticking out the most, this golden one, and I'm going to take red, white and red bead and I go in the next one that is sticking out. Okay, and again. Now my friends, I will flip my work because you know it's easier for me, but you can go in any direction that you'd like. And it's basically the same thing, you just add red, white, red everywhere. Okay, my friends, and with this I finish this row as well. Now in my next step I want to exit through one of the white beads. I take these 3 white beads and I go back in circle through these white, creating another cross of 4 beads, guys. Then I go in the next white. I take 3 again, and now as I'm going back I'm reaching for the next white. In this way I'm saving one movement and I'm in a position to start another white cross. Okay, and I will continue this until the end and meet you here. Okay, my friends, and here I am where I'm adding my last 3 beads from this row. You can pause this video and add all of those white crosses. And what I need to take next are 5 red beads, 5 of those. And as I'm exiting from this white bead, I go in the next one from the outside to the center. And I have this. Then I want to go into this white. And and into the next one. And I take 5 red beads. I go from the outside to the center just like this, and through the white, and also here into this white bead. And I take 5 and go like this in this direction. And I'm going to continue these guys until the end, absolutely the same way. Add 5, go like this, and when I'm ready I'll be back. Okay my friends, and here I am where I'm adding my last 5 beads from this row, and I go from the outside to the center just like this. Then what I want to do is to go through all of those beads, and my ultimate goal is to exit out of this white bead that is sticking out. In my next step I'm taking 8 golden beads, and I'm going from this white to the next white. Then again I take 8 golden beads, I skip all of those red beads and I go into the white one. I have this. Then my friends, I'm going to flip my work. You know I prefer to go in this direction, it's up to you how you do it. Again I need 8 goldens. Make sure they are exactly 8 and go into the white one. Okay, and I will continue doing this 5 more times, and I'll do this off camera. You pause this video, do this, and let's meet here. Okay my friends, and here I am where I'm adding my last 8 beads from this row, and again I'm going through this white bead. In my next step, don't pull too tight at this stage, just place them gently. In my next step, I'm going to create beautiful angles here. And I'm adding 1 golden, go through all of those beads, exit out of the first golden, 1 red, go through the golden before this and through the white in the center. So where I go here, this is the golden before the angle, and then I go through the white that is exactly at the angle. In my next step I go through the following 4 beads. Okay, and I repeat this. I take 1 golden, I go through all of those 4 goldens, through the white and also through the following golden. Then I take 1 red bead and I go backwards through this golden and through the white, and I pull. Then I go through all of those 4 golden beads, 1 golden, exit just like this. Go through the first golden, 1 red, go backwards through this golden, through the white, just like that. Okay. And it is absolutely the same thing, guys, until the end of this row. As you may see, it's super easy, so I'm sure you're gonna be able to do this by yourself. If not, just rewind the video and repeat these steps from this side. Okay, guys, and here I am at my last step. Okay, guys, and here I am at my last step, where I'm adding my last red bead from this row. And by the way, if you want, you can go one more time around all of those beads. Just to reinforce the edges of your work. And to make it stay nice and tight. Okay, I'll do this off camera and I'll meet you. Okay, my friends, and I'm taking a seed bead, my earring finding and a seed bead, and I'm going backwards like this through this top golden bead. Where I'm exiting out of. And what you can do is to reinforce this top part several times. And when you're ready, you can make a knot, pull tight, go through some beads in this direction. And cut your thread as close as possible to your work, or burn it with a zipper if it still shows. And we're done. Okay, guys, and now my Christmas stars DIY seed beads earrings are ready, so if you like them and you want to see more and more tutorials like this, it's a good idea to subscribe with the bell, also like, share and comment. And you can always check the membership option that comes with massive value video courses and PDF digital patterns that you can download right away. Link in description and at the join button. See you in the next video.